Where are you coming from today?
None of your business.
Okay, cool. Any weapons in the vehicle?
None of your business.
While conducting a traffic stop, the officer asked the occupant of the vehicle, where is she coming from? The occupant, an elder woman with a hearing disability, says, "That's none of your business." The officer seemingly accepts that answer with the intent of her next question aiming at officer safety. No, where does the officer actually talks about the traffic stop and the reason for pulling her over? After the lady also says none of your business to the second question, which was, are there any weapons in the vehicle? This becomes the primary part of her conversation. Why is the citation never mentioned first? Pulling someone over, especially at night. Just to ask them about what they did today, letting that lead the conversation seems childlike. Let's continue.
Where are you coming from today?
None of your business.
Okay, cool. Any weapons in the vehicle?
None of your business.
It is my business, actually.
No, I don't have to answer any more questions.
Yeah, you do. Are there any weapons in the vehicle?
Here you go.
Are there any weapons in the vehicle?
No.
Okay. Any illegal narcotics?
I'm not answering any more questions.
Okay, cool. Go ahead and hop out of the vehicle for me.
Excuse me?
Hop out of the vehicle.
Excuse me?
Go ahead and hop out of the vehicle.
Say that again?
Go ahead and hop out of the vevehicle.
No.
Get out of the
I'm not
vehicle?
getting out of the vehicle.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, no, I am not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
8520. Can you send me another unit? I have a occupant that's refusing to get out of the vehicle.
I'm not getting out.
Yes, you are. It's a lawful order.
No, it's not a lawful order.
Yes, it is. It is a lawful order, me telling you to get out of the vehicle.
I am not getting out of my
You can open up the channel. You can get out of the vehicle, or you can go for interfering. We'll sit here and all day. All I asked was for you to get out of the vehicle.
I am not getting out of my vehicle.
I don't know what's in this vehicle. You're not telling me if there are weapons. I asked you if there are weapons. You said I don't have to tell you.
There's no weapons in my vehicle.
You said I don't have to tell you.
There's no weapons in my vehicle.
Okay, cool. Well,
So I do not have to get out of my vehicle.
yeah, you do. It's a lawful order.
No, it's not.
Okay, we can agree to disagree.
I'm not doing anything wrong. There is no reason for me to get out of my vehicle, and I gave you my driver's license.
Okay, well, we can either pull you out.
Call Sergeant Simpson.
I don't need to call Sergeant Simpson.
Supervisor.
He-
There is no reason for me to get out of my vehicle. I've not done anything wrong.
So me asking you is a lawful order.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
It is not.
It definitely is a lawful order.
My vehicle.
Okay.
It's not a lawful order because there is no reason for it.
Okay, she already locked it. It's all right. We got a sergeant on the line right now. See, he's en route. So you can sit here, or you can comply with our orders.
There is no vehicle. There is no reason for me to get out of my vehicle.
I don't know what's in this vehicle. You were hesitant on me asking if there were any weapons in the vehicle, and you said no. I don't have to tell you. So
No weapons in my vehicle. If you do not shine your flashlight in my eyes, I'm deaf.
You're deaf?
well, that has nothing to do with a flashlight in your eyes.
Okay.
Anyways, I'm gonna run her. Hands on the hood. Anything you don't need that's gonna poke prod me? Pat you down for officer safety.
No,
Hands on the hood.
that's not a pat down. That is pull my bra.
It is definitely a pat down. We can argue all you want. I don't know why you are being so
Because
defensive.
you are not patting me down. You are feeling up under my bra.
Is that
Trying to do business in a publicly accessible building while filming seems to be a crime. The lieutenant says the man cannot film because there is personal information being exchanged. As the video continues, it starts to seem like this lieutenant is a firewall for the government's database. I say that because even the employees need probable cause to view sensitive information that's collected. He repeatedly requests the man to step back. The auditor states he has a right to film and to please excuse from his personal space. Leave your thoughts down below as we continue.
Not be back here. This is personal information. You need to step out.
Or what?
Step out of here, please. This is a sensitive area. You need to step out. Please step out. Step out.
Is that a lawful order?
I'm telling you right now, step out.
What happens if I don't?
Step out.
Is that a request or lawful order?
I'm requesting you.
Sir, I'm going to ask you to
Step
take
out.
a few steps back. You're in my personal space.
You need to
Take a
leave.
few steps back. You need to get out of my personal space.
I'm not going anywhere.
I have a constitutional right to take
do
pictures
what?
and video inside of my public building.
Out there, that's the public out there. This
It's
is
public in
private back
here. It's open to the public, sir.
No.
Time, place, and manner restrictions.
If you're doing
It's a limited
business,
public forum. I am conducting business. First Amendment protected business, sir. If you interfere, you will be held liable. I'll sue you. You'll lose your qualified immunity, Lieutenant. If something does happen, my rights are violated, just so he knows and your manager knows, Ms. Starling will be on a federal civil lawsuit. Okay? And this place will be liable. So, yeah. Okay. Well, I'm going to decline that request if that's a request.
Okay, so law enforcement is on their way, so they can handle it.
Okay. Well, who's he? Is he a lieutenant?
Yes.
Okay.
He's with the sheriff's office.
So, do you have arresting powers? Do you have arresting powers, Lieutenant?
hey, I'm not talking to your ass.
Okay. Well, then I'm going to continue doing what I was going to
You
do.
cannot walk back here. I already told you that.
What's going to happen if I do?
You cannot walk back here.
Or else what?
You cannot walk back here. You need to step that way.
Or else what?
They've already asked you to step that way.
And I turned down that request.
No, you're going to need to.
All
leave this
requests?
sensitive
All
area.
requests? This is not a sensitive area, sir. This is open to the public.
This is sensitive area back
I'm not gathering in information. That's not my intent.
Well, I'm sorry, you can't not.
Well, I'm sorry, but I'm not going to listen to your request.
What is the plain view doctrine? The plain view doctrine is a legal principle in the United States that allows law enforcement officers to seize evidence of a crime without a warrant if it is in plain view. This doctrine is an exception to the Fourth Amendment's requirement for a warrant to search and seize property. To apply the plain view doctrine, 3 conditions must be met. 1. Lawful presence. 2. Immediately apparent. 3. Inadvertent discovery. As this student was sitting in her car, a couple of officers approach her vehicle just to talk. A subtle truth. They search the vehicle via the plain view doctrine and seize a bowl but doesn't say anything right away. They go about it in a way that the girl thinks everything's okay in order to remove her from the vehicle. Upon asking questions about her driving and swerving, as multiple complaints were alleged against her, the student says she's a bad driver. The officer eventually tells the student they are going to search the vehicle, and things seemingly tends to escalate. Let's continue to see how things unravel.
Hi, Miss. I'm Officer Costa with Crystal Lake Police Department. We're just talking to you because we got a couple complaints that you might have been swerving on the road, or
I don't think I was.
you don't think you were?
No.
Maybe it was a phone. You're on your phone or for something. Or
No, I'm just a bad driver. I failed
You're
my
a bad
driving
driver?
test twice.
okay.
Trust me, I'm trying to drive nice.
Hey, we need you to step out, okay? You're gonna come and talk with us over here, okay? All right, my dear. Here, put your butt right against there. This officer is gonna ask you some questions, okay?
So have you been drinking at all tonight? No. You just maybe on your phone or something?
Maybe, yeah.
Where are you coming from?
Carrie, I'm on my music a lot.
Your music? Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
I can check.
I just need to look at where you're reaching, my dear. It's right there? Okay.
Oh,
All right,
I'm
you
sorry.
good?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
sorry. I'm just stressed.
All right,
I don't
why are you stunned?
because I've been pulled over like once before.
Okay, here, put your butt right back there, okay?
2004, how old does that make you?
That makes me 18.
18? Okay.
What's your first name?
Ellie.
Ellie? Hey, Ellie. Do you know what time it is right now? Go without looking. Guess.
About like 6:30.
Okay, it's right now. It's 7:15. Is there anything that you did today that you think, in terms of medications, alcohol, prescribed, not prescribed drugs, weed, anything like that, that you took today that you think would impair your driving?
No.
Okay. Have you had any alcoholic beverages today?
No. I have been sober for 6.5 months.
Okay. What about marijuana? Any marijuana today? Okay. When was the last time you smoked marijuana?
I'm sober from alcohol, but not marijuana. But
Okay.
marijuana was probably like yesterday or 2 days ago.
Yesterday or 2
But
days ago?
I
Okay.
don't think it would impair my driving today.
Okay. All right. So since you've been at Target, you have not consumed any alcoholic
No.
beverages. Okay. And not since.
And they can check the cameras and see that I didn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything illegal that you may have in the car?
No.
Okay. So you have no alcohol in the car?
No.
Okay. No cannabis, weed in the car? No prescription medication not prescribed to you
No.
or any other drugs in the car?
Like, what's it called? What's it called when you take things that are like extra vitamins for you?
Like multivitamins?
Kind of, but like
Nothing.
If it's something like over the counter,
Yeah, it's like over the counter. They sell them at Target.
Right, that's not.
Supplements. That's what it's
Supplements,
called.
okay.
Yes, I've taken some supplements.
Again, our concern is we had 2 people call in saying that you were swerving on the road, and we just wanted to make sure you're okay to drive.
And stumbling.
That's why.
Okay.
That's why.
After they saw you get out of your car.
I promise you, I am.
So I
You could literally call my boyfriend.
So
and
I
tell
really-
you how clumsy I am.
So here's the deal, though. Okay, I appreciate it. All right, I appreciate what you're saying to me. However, we have a little bit of a problem. Okay, so I'm gonna give you an opportunity to be honest with me. Okay, because when you opened your door, I saw the bottle of vodka that's in your driver's side of your door.
I don't have any.
Okay. Well, I saw it.
Well,
hold on. I don't want you reaching in your car.
Well,
Okay.
you could open the door.
Okay,
and
I'll
see
open
it.
the door. You can stand with Officer Costa right here.
I'm just saying I don't have a bottle of vodka in my side door.
Okay,
and you
so
can open
you're
that and
okay
look at
with
it.
me opening and looking?
Yes.
Maybe she saw it wrong or something. Okay?
Yes,
We're
she
just
can
checking,
open
okay?
and look at it. Okay.
So, okay. So now we have a problem. Okay.
What?
I have a really big problem.
What?
Okay. Now we're not cool.
Why?
Okay. And I'll explain to you why we're not cool. Because I saw it there.
I promise you it wasn't
Here.
there.
Everything's on video, okay?
Okay.
So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you stand by with these officers and I'm gonna search your vehicle.
You don't
okay?
have the warrant to do that.
Actually, I have probable cause because I observed alcohol.
You don't have warrant to do that.
Because I observed
I have a
alcohol.
right to not let you search my car.
Okay, so
I have a right to not let you search my car.
Unfortunately,
No, I have a right to not let you search my car.
we're not doing this.
I have a right
Ellie,
to not let you search my
Ellie,
car.
Ellie,
We're not doing this. So come on, let's go. Get back
You
here.
know my rights,
not
and you
touch
know
me.
I have a right to
Do
not let you
touch me.
search my car.
Okay, listen,
There's a
I
little
don't.
weed in the center console. There's a pipe I see.
Yeah, and
Listen,
they don't have a right to
listen,
search my car.
listen to me.
They don't. I've
Listen to me.
I've been pulled over before, and I
Listen.
know you don't have a right to search my car.
Chill out, okay?
I know
Because
you.
I don't want to have to put you in handcuffs right now.
I know you don't have a
Okay.
right to search my
You-
car.
you need
It's
to
an
relax.
exception to the law. It's called a mobile conveyance.
You guys looked in my car before you had the right to search my car,
Listen.
and you saw the weed, and so you don't have a right to search my car.
There's also plain view. Yes.
You don't have a right to search my car.
I do.
No, you don't.
Okay, so
no,
Ellie,
you don't.
Ellie,
Ellie,
do
Ellie, we don't
not
wanna put you
touch
in
me like
handcuffs.
that.
I'm telling
Just-
you.
I'm
just
gonna tell you
cooperate with
one
us
more
and-
time, dear.
I'm
Don't
telling
touch
you
me
for a
like
fact
that.
you don't have a right
Okay.
to search my car.
So listen to me. This is gonna go one of two ways, okay? I would rather not put you in handcuffs. I don't want to put you in handcuffs, okay? I don't want to. If you're cooperative, we can figure this out and work through it.
I'm just
okay?
saying you can't search my car without a warrant.
Well,
with seeing a bull in my car, you can't search my car without a warrant.
So I know the law. Probably.
I know the law.
Okay.
Because I've looked it up. And
Thank you for watching. If you would like these videos to circulate more to educate more people, please like the video, which helps with the algorithm. You can also help educate in the comments down below. Until next time.